Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, are you fine children? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, yes, so now today we are going to study the states and capitals of India. So do you know children, our country name is India. Yes, so now today we are going to study the states and capital of our country India. Okay children? So children, in your home, your parent fulfill all your basic needs. Yes, உங்க வீட்ல உங்க அம்மா அப்பா உனக்கு தேவையான எல்லா வசதிகளையும் செஞ்சு கொடுப்பாங்க. Yes, so like that all the country need government. Okay, so the government look after needs, welfare and safety of the people of a country. Okay, so the government frames law and rules to the country. Okay, so we have to follow the government rules and laws. Okay, so government only fulfill all our basic needs of the country people. Yes, so we have to follow the government rules and laws to the country. Okay children, so the government will decide where to build schools, hospital, parks, stadium, stations and airport. Okay, so government only decide. Okay, so நம்ம எங்க building, government school, government buildings, government hospital, government parks இதெல்லாம் build பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு decide பண்ணுறதோ அங்கே எஞ்சிவாங்க build பண்ணுவாங்க. That all our benefits only, our needs only. Yes, we need government hospital, government school, government stadium, station, airport, everything. Yes, so the government decide to build the schools, hospitals, parks, stadium, police station, a bus stand, airport, like that. Okay children, and also the government provides services like electric, water, telephone and communication facilities. Yes, are no children, all the electricity power we can get from the government only. The government only provides the electricity and the water, telephone, communication facilities. Yes, so that all the things the government only provide us. Okay, so we have to follow the laws and the rules to the country. Okay, so there are two types of government in India. Okay, so they are central government and state government. Central government and state government, that is the structure of Indian government. Okay, so there are two types of government in India. They are central government and state government. Okay, that is the structure of Indian government. So now we learn about central government. Okay, so central government means மத்திய government, மத்திய அரசாங்கம். Central government means மத்திய அரசாங்கம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so central government looks after the safety and welfare of the whole country. Okay, so central government the whole India, நம்மளோட country name India. Yes, are no children, so central government only look after the safety and welfare of the whole country India. Okay, okay children, so it is based in New Delhi. Okay, so central government எங்க இருக்குது, நம்ம இந்தியாவோட தலைநகரான நியூ டெல்லியில் இருக்குது. Okay children, our India capital is New Delhi. Our India capital is New Delhi. There is a central government. Okay, so whole country welfare and safety all look after by central government, மத்திய அரசாங்கம். Okay, so central government is there in the New Delhi. That is our India capital. Okay children, India capital is New Delhi, the capital of India. Okay, New Delhi. There only is there in the central government. So central government only look after the welfare of whole country India. Okay children, so all the Indian people only choose the member of central government. Okay, so choose the member. Central government la irukodiya members la irukangala, for example president, prime minister and other ministers is there in the central government. Yes, are no children, do you know president, prime minister? President, prime minister is there in the picture. Yes, so they are in the central government. Okay, so they all the members are selected by the Indian people, Indian. Okay, so we all the people only select the president, prime minister and other ministers. So they are in the central government. Okay, so we only select to choose the members of the central government. Okay, president, prime minister எல்லாம் நம்ம தான் என்ன செய்கிறோம், சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். Indian people, all the Indian people only choose the president, prime minister and other ministers, okay, in the central government. Okay, children. So they all live and work in New Delhi. Okay, so president, prime minister and other ministers, all there, they live in the New Delhi. They live in New Delhi and work in New Delhi. Okay, so that is the state and union territories of India. Okay, so New Delhi is the states and union territory of India. Okay, so India is very big country. Yes or no, children? Do you know? India is very big country with the population of more than 100 crore. Okay, மக்கள் தொகை எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? More than 100 crore people in our country, India. So India is very big country. Okay, here population is more than 100 crore. Okay, so it is very difficult. Yes, it is very difficult for the central government to look after the needs and such a big population all by itself. Yes, yes or no, children? Our India is very big country. Here population is more than 100 crore people. So all the people, many people is here. Yes, our country. ஸோ எல்லாருடைய பேசிக் நீடு, அவங்களோட சேஃப்டி, அவங்களோட வெல்ஃபேரை சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்டால் மட்டுமே நினைச்ச முடியாது, பார்க்க முடியாது. எஸ், ஸோ தட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். எஸ், எஸ் ஆர் நோ சில்ட்ரன்? எஸ், எஸ். ஸோ the government, the central government divided some smaller parts of state. Each state has its own government. Okay. So children, see here, India is very big country. Here population is more than 100 crore. So it is very difficult for the central government to look after all the basic needs such as a big population all by itself. So the country is therefore divided into smaller parts of state. Okay, each state has its own government. Okay, so இந்தியாவில் நிறைய ஸ்டேட்ஸ் இருக்குது. எஸ், இந்தியா ஹாஸ் 28 states and 8 union territories there. Okay, ஸோ எல்லா ஸ்டேட்டுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு கவர்மெண்ட்டாக என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, டிவைட் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா ஸ்டேட்ஸுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு கவர்மெண்ட்டை டிவைட் பண்ணாங்க. தட் இஸ் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட். தட் இஸ் state governments. We have central government and state government. Central government look after the whole India, whole country. Okay, so நம்மளோட இந்தியாவோட பாப்புலேஷன், மக்கள் தொகை எவ்வளவு அப்படின்னா மோர் தென் 100 crore. ஓகே, ஸோ நிறைய மக்கள் இருக்கிறதுனால எல்லாரையும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்டால் பார்த்துக்க முடியாது. அவங்களோட வெல்ஃபேர், அவங்களோட நலன், அவங்களோட சேஃப்டி, அதெல்லாம் நம்மளை சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்டால் எல்லாரையும் பார்க்க முடியாதுல. ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட், ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேட்டுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு கவர்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னு செஞ்சாங்க, டிவைட் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ த கவர்மெண்ட் டிவைடட் த ஸ்மாலர் பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட். ஈச் ஸ்டேட் ஹேஸ் ஓன் கவர்மெண்ட். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். So the state government look after the welfare of the people of the state. Okay, okay children, we have two government. They are central government and state government. Central government look after the whole country. Okay, look after the welfare of people, whole country. Then the central government can divide the state government now. So the state government look after the welfare of the people of the state government, state people. Okay children. So there are 28 states in our country. So already we learned we have 29 state like that. Yes, already in the previous classes we learned there are 29 states in our country like that. Yes, but now 2019 there was here 28 states in our country. Okay, so there are 28 states in our country. Okay, so Jammu Kashmir is converted to the Union Territory in the year 2019. Before that we have 29 states. Okay children, 2019, before that we have here 29 states. But now we have, there are 28 states in our country. Okay, so Jammu Kashmir is converted to the Union Territory in year 2019. Okay children. ஃபஸ்ட்டு நமக்கு 29 ஸ்டேட் இருந்தது. இப்போ ஜம்மு காஷ்மீரை யூனியன் டெரிட்டோரியாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஓகே 2019ல ஜம்மு காஷ்மீரை யூனியன் டெரிட்டோரியாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணதுனால now we have 28 states in our country. Okay children, so each state has its own capital. In state there is the governor, chief minister and other senior government officers. Okay, so who together run the government. Okay children, so central government there is president, prime minister and other ministers. They all is there in the central government, that is in New Delhi. Okay, then state government there is governor, chief minister and other senior government officers. Okay, so they only run the government. Okay, have you understood children? Central government la yarla irpanga, president, prime minister and other ministers. Okay, the central government is in New Delhi. Okay, it's our India capital, New Delhi, so there is the central government. Okay, then the state government, all the state has a capital. Okay, so our capital is Chennai. Our state capital is Chennai. Do you know children? Our state capital is Chennai. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. So our state government is there in the Chennai. Okay, so our state capital there is governor and a chief minister. Okay, chief minister and other ministers and senior government officers also is there. Okay, so they all together and run the government. Okay, so you can see the picture children. In state government there is governor, chief minister, ministers and other ministers, senior government officers. Okay, so they all are joined together and run the government. Okay, the governor and chief minister live in the state government. Okay, state capital. Okay, our capital is Chennai. Yes, our state capital, Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Our state capital Chennai. So the government and chief minister they live and work in the state capital. Okay, Chennai la irukanga. Okay children, so beside the states there are 7 smaller areas directly under the central government. So beside the state there are 7 smaller areas directly under the central government. Okay, so they are known as union territories. Among the union territories, the Lakshadweep and Nicobar Island is the biggest and Andaman and Nicobar Island is the biggest island and Lakshadweep is the smallest island. Okay, so union territories, among the union territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island is the biggest island, that is in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island is there in the Arabian Sea, that is the smallest island. Do you know children, island means one piece of land is there in the water. Okay, so all the sides are water, in center the land, that is called island. Okay, so ஒரு piece on a land கடலுக்கு நடுவில் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதை தான் நம்ம ஐலாண்ட் அப்படி சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, எல்லா சைட்லேயும் வாட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கும், நடுவில் ஒரு லேண்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதை தான் நம்ம ஐலாண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், தீவு. ஓகே, ஸோ பே ஆஃப் பெங்கால், டூ யூ நோ சில்ட்ரன், பே ஆஃப் பெங்கால் தேர் இஸ் Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, that is the biggest island in our country. Okay, next Arabian Sea there is the island, that is Lakshadweep Island, that is the smallest island in our country. Okay, then Delhi is also union territory. Nowadays the Delhi also union territories with the state of the national capital territory. Okay, so you can see the picture children, it is Andaman Nicobar Island. First one, Andaman Nicobar Island, this is there in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, inside the Bay of Bengal. Okay, it is the biggest island in our country. Okay, next island, Lakshadweep Island, it is in Arabian Sea, is the smallest island in our country. Okay, next Delhi is also union territory with the state of national capital territory. Okay, do you know children, in 1956 India has only 14 states and 6 union territories. In 1956, okay, 1956 India had only 14 states and 6 union territories. Okay, so the states were further divided on basic of language spoken, and we have 28 state and 8 union territories. Okay, Jammu Kashmir also union territories. Yes, so nowadays we have 28 state and 8 union territories, but in olden time, the 56, India had only 14 state and 6 union territories, but now we have 28 state and 8 union territories. Jammu Kashmir also. Okay, children, Jammu Kashmir also. Now we have union territories. Okay. Now let us learn about the states of India and their capital city. Okay, children, now we are going to learn about the states of India. Okay, so நம்ம இந்தியால இருக்கக்கூடிய 28 states பார்க்க போறோம், and their capital also we have to see now. Okay, children, so first you can see the picture. It is Andhra Pradesh. It is Andhra Pradesh. The capital is Amaravati. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amaravati. Okay, it is the state Andhra Pradesh. Okay, the capital is Amaravati. Okay, children, next Arunachal Pradesh. Next one, Arunachal Pradesh. The state name is Arunachal Pradesh. The capital is Itanagar. The capital is Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Okay, next Assam. Next Assam. The state name is Assam. The capital is Dispur. The capital is Dispur. Next Bihar. Bihar capital is Patna. Bihar capital is Patna. Okay. Next Chhattisgarh. Next state name Chhattisgarh. Capital is Raipur. Okay, Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Okay, and then Goa. Next Goa. The capital is Panaji. Goa capital is Panaji. Okay. Next Gujarat. Next state Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Say, children, Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Okay, then Haryana. The state name Haryana. The capital is Chandigarh. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Again say, children, state name Haryana, capital is Chandigarh. Okay, then Himachal Pradesh. Next Himachal Pradesh. You can see the India map also. The capital is there. Okay, Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Simla. Okay, the state name Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Simla. Okay, next Jharkhand. Next Jharkhand. Capital is Ranchi. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Okay, then Karnataka. Next Karnataka. The state name Karnataka. The capital is Bangalore. Karnataka capital Bangalore. Okay, next Kerala. Next state name Kerala. The capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, next Madhya Pradesh. The state name Madhya Pradesh. It is the center of India. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. நம்ம இந்தியாவோட சென்ட்ரல் இருக்கும் மத்திய பிரதேஷ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ மத்திய பிரதேஷ் கேபிட்டல் இஸ் போபால். மத்திய பிரதேஷ் கேபிட்டல் இஸ் போபால். ஓகே, தென் மகாராஷ்டிரா. நெக்ஸ்ட் Maharashtra. The capital is Mumbai. Maharashtra. The capital is Mumbai. The state name Maharashtra. Capital is Mumbai. Next Manipur. Next Manipur. The capital is Impal. The capital is Impal. Manipur capital is Impal. Next state name Meghalaya. State Meghalaya. The capital is Ceylon. The capital is Ceylon. Okay. Next Mizoram. Next Mizoram. The capital is Aizawl. Mizoram capital is Aizawl. Mizoram capital is Aizawl. Okay. Next Nagaland. Next capital Nagaland capital Kohima. Okay. State name Nagaland. Capital Kohima. Next state name Odisha. State name Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. State name Odisha. Capital Bhubaneswar. Okay. Next, Punjab. State name Punjab. Capital is Chhattisgarh. Capital is Chhattisgarh. Then Rajasthan. State name Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. State name Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Then Sikkim. State name Sikkim. Capital is Gangtok. Sikkim. Capital Gangtok. Next state name Tamil Nadu. The capital is Chennai. Okay, our Tamil Nadu capital Chennai. Okay. Next Telangana. Next state Telangana. The capital is Hyderabad. Telangana capital Hyderabad. Next state name Tripura. State name Tripura, capital Agartala. State name Tripura, capital is Agartala. Okay. Then 26 Uttar Pradesh. The capital Lucknow. Okay. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Okay. Next Uttarakhand. Next Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. Okay. Dehradun. The capital is Dehradun. Okay. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. Next West Bengal. The capital is Kolkata. Okay. We have 28 states. How many states, children? In our India, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay. So we have 28 states. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Okay, children, have you understood? 28 states and their capital. Have you understood, children? Now again once we see the states and the capital. Okay, children, you have to study this 28 state and the capital. It is very important, children. So you have to study this 28 state and the capital. Okay, so now we are going to see again once. First Andhra Pradesh. The capital is Amaravati. Okay. Next Arunachal Pradesh. The capital is Itanagar. Next Assam. The capital is Dispur. Bihar. The capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh. The capital is Raipur. Then Goa. Capital is Panaji. Goa capital Panaji. Then Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Then Haryana capital is Chhattisgarh. Haryana capital is Chhattisgarh. Then Himachal Pradesh, the capital is Simla. The Himachal Pradesh, the capital is Simla. Jharkhand, the capital is Ranchi. Jharkhand, capital is Ranchi. Okay, then Karnataka, capital is Bangalore. Then Kerala, capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Manipur, capital is Impal. Meghalaya, capital is Ceylon. Mizoram, capital is Aizawl. Nagaland, capital is Kohima. Then Odisha, capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab, capital is Chhattisgarh. Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Telangana, capital is Hyderabad. Tripura, capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand, capital is Dehradun. West Bengal, capital is Kolkata. Okay, children, we have 28 states and 28 capitals also. Okay, we have to study this 28 states and 28 capitals. It is very important, children, you should study. Okay. Now let's see the capital of our union territories. Okay, so first you can see Andaman and Nicobar Island capital is Fort Pillar. Okay, Andaman Nicobar Island capital is Fort Pillar. Okay, so it is the union territory. Okay, Andaman Nicobar Island is there in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, children, the island enga irukudhu? Bay of Bengal. Bengal la irukudhu. Okay, so Andaman Nicobar Island capital is Fort Pillar. Next, Chhattisgarh capital is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, this is also union territory, children. In our country there are 8 union territories. So first Andaman Nicobar Island, the capital is Port Pilar. Then Chhattisgarh capital is Chhattisgarh. Okay. Then Daman and New capital Daman. Then Dadra and Nagar Haveli, okay, capital Silvassa. Then Lakshadweep, capital is Kavaratti. Lakshadweep, capital Kavaratti, okay. Then Puducherry, capital Puducherry. Puducherry, capital Puducherry. The national capital territory Delhi, the capital is New Delhi. Then Jammu and Kashmir, capital is winter. During the winter season, Jammu is the capital. Then during the summer season, Srinagar is the capital. Okay. Okay, children. So there are 8 union territories. Again, once we see the 8 union territory, children. So first Andaman Nicobar Island, the capital is Port Pilar. Okay. Then Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh. Okay, Chandigarh capital Chandigarh. Then Daman and New capital Daman. Next Dadra and Nagar Haveli, capital Silvassa. Dadra Nagar Haveli, capital Silvassa. Then Lakshadweep, capital Kavaratti. Next Puducherry, capital Puducherry. National capital territory Delhi, capital is New Delhi. Then Jammu and Kashmir, the capital is during the winter season, Jammu is the capital. During the summer season, Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. So like this, we have 28 state and 8 union territories. 28 state and 8 union territories in our country. Okay, children. So we may live in different. We all are Indian. Yes. So நம்ம எல்லாரும் different stateல different language பேசுறோம், different food சாப்பிடுறோம், different festival celebrate பண்றோம், different God நம்ம pray பண்றோம், worship பண்றோம். Yes, we have different worship places also. But we all are live together in our country. We all are Indian. So we should be states. So there is the one we all share. We shall all share. So we have to proud of our country. Okay, proud of our country and our states. Okay, have you understood, children? So today we learn the capital and the states of our country. Yes, have you understood, children? So you have to study the 28 states and capital and 8 union territory and their capital. You should study. Okay, children, that is very important. You should study. Okay, yes. So now all of you take your social classwork. So children, now all of you take your social classwork. We are going to write the classwork now. Take your classwork note, children. So first of all, write today date and day in your classwork note. After that, write states and capitals of India. States and capitals of India. So fill in the blanks. So first fill up. India is very big country. India is very big country. You have to underline India. Okay, then second one, leave one line and write second fill up. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. You can underline 28 and 8. Okay, then third, there are 2 types of government in India. There are 2 types of government in India. You can underline 2. Okay, then fourth, leave one line and write fourth one. India capital is New Delhi. India capital is New Delhi. You can underline New Delhi. Okay. Okay, children. Then fifth one, Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. You can underline Chennai. Okay, then sixth, India population is more than 100 crore. India population is more than 100 crore. You can underline more than 100 crore. Okay, then seventh, the government frames the laws and rules to the country. You can underline the government. Okay children, have you written? Now we are going to read. All of you listen. India is very big country. All of you say with me, India is very big country. Then second, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. Then third, there are 2 types of government in India. There are 2 types of government in India. Then fourth, India capital is New Delhi. India capital is New Delhi. Then Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Then India population is more than 100 crore. Then the government frames the laws and rules to the country. Okay, have you written? Can you read, all of you children? You have to study this 7 fill-ups and write and see in your up note. And also your homework, you should study the 7 fill-ups and write your homework notes also. Okay, this is the homework also. Okay children, today you should study this 7 fill-ups. It is very important. You should study today itself and write the answer. Write the homework in your homework notes. Okay, then we will see you next class. Have a nice day. Bye.